drivers waste $500 million every single year on fuel additives that do absolutely nothing. And guess what? Mechanics don't mind one bit. You're about to learn the 13 fuel additives that actually deliver real results. The ones professional mechanics use in their own cars but rarely talk about. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal the biggest brand name scams sitting on store shelves right now that you should avoid like the plague. Let's get started. Number 13. Seafoam motor treatment. Seafoam is one of those products you'll find in a mechanic's garage next to a coffee mug that hasn't been washed since 2004. And that tells you something. It's not marketed as a flashy boost your horsepower instantly miracle. Instead, Seafoam works slowly and steadily, almost like running a detox through your engine's veins. It seeps into the fuel system, helps dissolve light varnish, absorbs moisture, and brings stored or neglected engines back to life. Where it shines most is with engines that sit more than they run. Those engines often struggle with gummy residue and stale gas, and that's where Seafoam quietly does its job. Pour it in, run the engine, and over time it softens deposits and helps clear passages without being too harsh on the internals. It won't suddenly give you more power like a performance enhancer, but it will bring back smoothness and prevent problems before they get expensive. Number 12. Stabil Fuel Stabilizer. If Seafoam is the detox, Stabil is the security guard. It doesn't clean, it doesn't boost power, it protects fuel from going bad. And that's a big deal because modern gasoline starts degrading in as little as 30 days. Once that happens, it separates, forms varnish, and becomes this sticky mess that clogs carburetors and injectors like dried syrup in a straw. That's why so many people try to start their mower or boat after a season and end up pulling on the starter rope like they're trying to start a lawnmower in 1953. Stabil steps in early and freezes fuel in a stable state, preventing that chemical breakdown. For car owners, boat guys, RVs, farm equipment, emergency generators, anything that spends more time parked than running, Stabil is a lifesaver. Instead of draining tanks or rebuilding carbs every season, a few ounces of this stuff can keep fuel usable for up to 2 years. Number 11. Torco Unleaded Fuel Accelerator. Now this one steps into a completely different world. Torco Unleaded Fuel Accelerator is not meant for your average commuter or grocery run. This is for people running tuned engines, turbo setups, high compression builds, or track cars that need serious octane on demand. Most octane boosters on shelves barely move the number at all. They might change it by a fraction, just enough for the label to technically be honest. That higher octane means one thing: freedom for the engine to advance timing without fear of knock or detonation. Tuned engines love that. Turbo cars under boost love that. Even older performance engines with aggressive ignition maps wake up when fed proper octane. You pour in Torco, and suddenly your engine can pull harder, stay cooler under load, and hold power longer without pulling timing. It's not an everyday fuel treatment. It's more like a performance enhancer that you call in for special occasions. Track day? Dyno session? Hot day and you're pushing a turbo build? That's when Torco earns its spot. It's the difference between an engine pulling full power confidently and one that's constantly holding back to avoid knock. Number 10. K&N Performance Plus Fuel System Cleaner. K&N Performance Plus Fuel System Cleaner sits in that sweet spot for everyday car owners who want to keep things clean without going full mechanic level aggressive. This isn't a hardcore carbon dissolver like BG44K. It's more of a maintenance treatment designed to keep injectors spraying properly and prevent that sluggish, delayed throttle response many cars develop after years of stop-and-go traffic and cheap gas. Modern cars rely heavily on precise fuel spray patterns, especially with smaller turbocharged engines where every drop of fuel counts. Once those injector tips start getting coated in microscopic carbon, you lose that fine mist that combustion needs, and the engine feels it. K&N Performance Plus steps in right at that early stage. Use it before problems get noticeable, and it helps your injectors stay crisp, your idle smooth, and your fuel trim numbers balanced. Think of it as brushing your teeth daily instead of waiting for a root canal. It won't fix heavy buildup, but for someone who wants their daily driver to stay responsive, it's a smart, light-duty cleaner. Number 9. Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer. Royal Purple Max Clean has a reputation among daily drivers and long-haul commuters because it does more than just clean. It helps the entire fuel system run smoother. It targets light to moderate deposits in injectors and intake valves, but it also adds lubricity, which matters more than people think. Modern gasoline, especially ethanol blends, can dry out fuel system components over time, leading to that subtle roughness or faint vibration at idle that many drivers ignore until it gets worse. Max Clean helps restore that new car smoothness by clearing up minor buildup and coating the fuel system with a light protective layer that reduces internal friction. Drivers often report that after one tank, their car idles quieter, throttle feels more direct, and in some cases, miles per gallon ticks up slightly. Not because the fuel suddenly got stronger, but because the engine isn't fighting tiny internal inefficiencies anymore. Number 8. Liqui Moly Jectron Fuel Injector Cleaner. Liqui Moly Jectron is especially popular among European mechanics who own BMW, Audi, VW, or Mercedes cars, but it works just as well in Japanese and American engines that are sensitive to injector spray quality. These engines are tuned tightly and can get a bit temperamental if carbon starts to alter airflow or fuel atomization. A slightly dirty injector might not cause a check engine light, but it can cause hesitation when pulling away from a stop, a shaky cold start, or that annoying stumble when merging. Jectron is formulated to clean precisely around the injector tip and restore proper spray pattern, which is crucial for modern direct injection systems. Instead of blasting everything aggressively, it works in a controlled way, making it a favorite for engines with tight tolerances. Number 7. Redline SI-1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Redline SI-1 isn't here to play. It contains one of the highest concentrations of polyetheramine, PEA, you can get in a consumer-grade cleaner, and PEA is the exact chemical that OEMs and service centers rely on to dissolve carbon inside fuel systems. If your car has started to hesitate under load, stumble when accelerating, or feel like it's lost a bit of its original punch, this is the bottle you reach for. Unlike mild cleaners, SI-1 doesn't just wipe the injector tips. It works its way through the injectors, intake valves, and even starts softening combustion chamber carbon on the piston crown and valve seats. You pour it in before a long drive, let the engine cycle it through a full tank, and toward the end you start feeling that pickup return, throttle sharpen, and idle smooth out. It's the type of additive where you feel the engine say, "Finally, that's better." Number 6. Amsoil Quick Shot. Amsoil Quick Shot is designed for drivers who want quick results and don't want to wait multiple tanks to notice anything. It's especially useful for cars that experience ethanol-related issues like slight surging, inconsistent idle, or that weird rubber band throttle feeling where power delivery feels delayed and then sudden. Ethanol absorbs moisture, which in return causes micro-corrosion inside injectors and slight lean spikes. And QuickShot's job is to correct that fast. You pour this into a fresh tank, drive like you normally would, and by the time you're halfway through the fuel, the engine typically begins to respond more cleanly with less hesitation on initial throttle press. It also helps re-lubricate components affected by dry ethanol blend fuel, especially in cars that regularly sit overnight or for days at a time. Number 5. Liqui Moly Proline Fuel System Cleaner. Liqui Moly Proline Fuel System Cleaner is what European service workshops use when a car comes in with noticeable power loss, injector imbalance, or carbon buildup symptoms. But the customer doesn't want to pull the intake or pay for a full injector service. It's a strong, high-concentration formula designed to restore spray precision and dissolve heavy deposits, especially in engines that have been running lean or turbocharged for long periods. Unlike entry-level additives that you just splash into any half tank, Proline works best when added to a nearly empty tank followed by immediate driving, allowing the strong mix to run concentrated through the injectors and intake system. When used properly, drivers often report immediate throttle responsiveness returning, smoother downshifts on automatics, and in some cases a drop in light engine vibration at idle, a common symptom of carbon imbalance between cylinders. Number 4. Royal Purple Max Atomizer Fuel Injector Cleaner. Royal Purple Max Atomizer isn't a general cleaner. It's a targeted injector restoration formula, and that makes it especially valuable for modern direct injection cars. DI injectors operate under far higher pressure and spray directly into the combustion chamber, So any restriction or slight carbon buildup affects fuel atomization instantly, which is why a lot of DI engines develop light shuddering, uneven acceleration, or that annoying dead spot when you tap the throttle. Max Atomizer's formula is built specifically to restore spray pattern symmetry, meaning it cleans the exact area where fuel leaves the injector tip. When that atomization pattern sharpens, combustion becomes more consistent across all cylinders, and the engine finally feels like all 4, 6, or 8 cylinders are pulling evenly again. Number 3. Power Service Diesel Clean plus Cetane Boost. For diesel cars and trucks, Power Service Diesel Clean plus Cetane Boost isn't just an additive, it's almost a ritual. Diesel engines rely heavily on cetane rating, which determines how efficiently and smoothly the fuel ignites. Low cetane diesel causes hard starts, rough idle, black smoke under throttle, and sluggish turbo spool. Diesel Clean solves this with a measurable cetane boost, giving the engine that clean, crisp ignition it was tuned for. But that's not all. It also cleans injectors and adds lubricity, which is huge, because modern ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel is dry and harsh on fuel pumps and injectors. That's why older diesel engines sometimes feel like they rattle more today than they did years ago. It's not age, it's the fuel. Diesel Clean brings back that strong, smooth diesel punch, makes throttle response sharper, reduces haze smoke, and even quiets idle on engines that have that light mechanical chatter. Number 2. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus sits right at the top of fuel cleaners because it's one of the only products major car manufacturers openly approve and use in service departments, especially for direct injection gasoline engines. Its high PEA concentration allows it to break down internal carbon deposits across the entire fuel path from injectors, intake valves, upper cylinders to piston crowns. Here's what separates Techron from generic cleaners. Dealerships actually pour this into customers' cars during fuel system service, and in some cases it's even listed in owner's manuals as a recommended service additive. When an engine has developed slight pinging, hesitation on incline, loss of top-end power, or uneven idle, Techron is often the first line of attack before mechanical teardown is considered. Pour it into a low tank, drive it through steadily, and by the end of that tank, most engines regain their crisp throttle note, idle smoother, and feel more responsive under mid-range load. Number 1. BG44K Platinum. When a car rolls into a service bay with sluggish throttle response, uneven idle, or that frustrating mid-range flat spot, the owner says, "I've tried injector cleaners, but nothing changed." This is the additive mechanics pull from the cabinet, BG44K Platinum. It's not a casual fuel treatment. It's the top-tier formula used in professional service procedures, often paired with pressurized induction cleanings and dealership fuel system restorations. What makes it so effective is its extremely potent concentration of PEA, far higher than over-the-counter cleaners. BG44K doesn't just wash the fuel line. It dissolves baked-on carbon from injectors, intake valves, piston crowns, and combustion chambers, working its way through the fuel system with a level of cleaning strength that's usually reserved for workshop-grade chemical service kits. Here's where it stands out. Engines that knock under load, hesitate when you feather the throttle, or feel like they've lost that factory punch suddenly wake back up. In many cases, it even reduces light detonation and pre-ignition caused by hot carbon deposits glowing inside the combustion chamber. That means cleaner combustion, restored timing efficiency, and sharper acceleration, especially in engines that have gradually dulled over years of stop-and-go driving and cheap fuel cycles. And here's a detail that mechanics appreciate. BG44K doesn't mask symptoms. It corrects them. It's not filled with lubricants or octane boosters to temporarily smooth things over. It simply removes what shouldn't be there, letting the engine operate the way it was designed to, with clean injector spray, even combustion, and restored airflow through the intake and cylinder head pathways. After going through the heavy hitters that actually work, it's only fair to call out a few bottles that get a lot of shelf space but deliver almost nothing in return. First off, we have STP Complete Fuel System Cleaner. It's cheap, widely available, and looks convincing, but the PEA content is extremely low, meaning it barely cleans anything beyond mild surface residue. For light maintenance, it's harmless, but for real performance or carbon removal, you're wasting a tank and a bottle. Next is Gumout Fuel Injector Cleaner. Not to be confused with Gumout Regain, which actually works. The standard Gumout fuel injector cleaner is more of a detergent rinse than a true cleaner. It won't harm your system, but it also won't fix hesitation, restore atomization, or clear heavy deposits, which makes it a poor choice for anyone expecting noticeable change. There's also Lucas Fuel Treatment. Now, I know this might sound a bit controversial because it's popular in retail stores, but most mechanics agree. It's more of a lubricating agent than a cleaner. It thickens fuel slightly, which can smooth idle temporarily, but it doesn't contain strong detergents or PEA-based solvents, meaning it masks symptoms instead of actually cleaning. And finally, you should avoid random octane boosters in small bottles. Anything that promises a 5+ octane increase in a palm-sized bottle is usually just alcohol and dye. Not only do they fail to deliver any real performance bump, but some can even dry out fuel system seals over time. If your engine needs octane, buy higher grade fuel, not a $7 miracle bottle. Which one of these fuel additives have you used in your car before, and what was the result? Let me know in the comments.